Welcome. If you've ever posted something on Instagram from your PC and wondered who's been liking your content, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to see exactly who liked your Instagram post using the Instagram app on your computer. With the recent updates, the process is more streamlined than ever, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the Instagram app installed on your PC. This isn't the web browser version. It's the dedicated app you can download from the Microsoft Store. Once you've got that ready, open the Instagram app and sign into your account. Now, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you straight to your profile page, where all your posts are displayed in a grid. Take a moment to scroll through and find the post you're curious about. Once you spot it, click on the post to open it in full view. You'll notice the post details, including the caption, comments, and the number of likes. Here's the important part. Right below your post, you'll see the likes count. It might say something like, liked by username and others. Click on this likes count. Instantly, a list will appear showing every account that has liked your post. You can scroll through this list to see all the usernames, and even visit their profiles if you want to learn more about your audience. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can easily check who's engaging with your content directly from your PC, thanks to the new Instagram app update. No more guessing or switching to your phone. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on mastering Instagram and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.